Does drumming help improve muscle strength? If I practice an hour a day, will that improve my muscle growth? Ever wondered if drumming could help you build muscle and improve your overall fitness? In this video, I'm going to reveal the surprising benefits drumming has on your body, beyond just working up a sweat. Stay tuned to find out how drumming can keep you lean, healthy, and even boost your immune system. Hey drummers, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you've probably asked yourself, does drumming help improve muscle strength? If you're practicing every day, you might be wondering if it's having an impact on your fitness. Today, we're breaking down the truth about the physical benefits of drumming, how it affects your muscles, your metabolism, and even your immune system. You'll be surprised at how drumming helps your body in ways you never thought possible. Alright, let's get into it. When I first started drumming, I thought it was all about the physical workout, using muscles, working up a sweat, and building strength. Mostly because the bands I would work with required it. And while drumming can help keep you toned, it's not like weight training. It doesn't build muscle in the same way. Drumming is more about using the muscles you already have to play better, with more ease, and producing a better sound. Along with a good helping of fat burning. Now, back in the day, I was also weight training, so I had this combination of gym work and drumming going on. But honestly, it wasn't the gym that kept me slim, it was the constant movement behind the kit. Even if I skipped a day at the gym, I stayed fit because I was drumming all the time. The truth is, drumming keeps your metabolism high, which means you burn more fat. That's why you might see drummers who aren't necessarily bulky but have great stamina and lean muscle definition. But here's where it gets even more and most interesting. Drumming doesn't just help you stay fit, it also benefits your immune system. I believe this is the biggest health and fitness advantage for drummers. You see, your blood has the heart to pump it through your body, but your lymphatic system, responsible for removing toxins from your body, relies on physical movement in order to function. Drumming, with all of its motion, helps circulate lymph fluid, which in turn boosts your immune system and keeps your body healthy. This means that drumming can help detoxify your body and strengthen your immunity, which is a benefit far beyond just building muscle. In short, the movement of your limbs as you play helps circulate the lymphatic fluid around the lymphatic system, where toxins are moved from the lymph nodes to the sweat glands for elimination. So, while drumming may not bulk you up like lifting weights, it's doing a whole lot for your body. It keeps you lean by helping to burn off fat, helps your metabolism, and even makes you healthier by boosting your immune system, and that to me is a much bigger benefit than simply gaining muscle. What next? Now that you know the hidden health benefits of drumming, it's clear that being behind the kit can do more for your body than just building muscle. Changing the subject entirely, if you're ready to take your drumming career to the next level, you might be wondering, how do I get a drumming sponsorship from top companies like Pearl, Zildjian or Sabian? Don't miss my next video where I'm sharing all the tips you need to land that sponsorship deal. Click the video link to check it out.